you remember the name of it? Oh, it was.
No, I don't have a good memory for that.
It was. Oh, there was a Disney Channel star in it. What was his name? What was the name of that one? This will be. Oh, food. He was a food boy, food man, food.
No. It was in Spanish. It's like El Niño Comida.
No, I think it was in English. Let's.
No.
I think we should. Remember, because we had agreed, we had promised one another that we would watch it together.
Top right.
I can't find it. Are you seeing it?
No, I can't. Maybe they took it off.
They usually don't take movies off.
The search function's in the top right.
It is?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Let's see this. It was called Food Boy. Oh, there it is! Perfect! The Adventures of Food Boy. Remember when we...
Well, I don't remember. We didn't make like a hard fast commitment to watch it.
Do you want to grab the popcorn?
The
Adventures of Food Boy.
No.
We'll just watch it together. You watched The Adventures of Food Boy with it. No, get back here. Adam, we're going to talk about this. Who is my favorite actor of all time?
Lucas Gabriel.
You said it. I had saved this movie. It turned 10 years old today.
I just can't wait 10 years to watch the movie,
oh my
okay?
Gosh.
It was good.
I'm sure it was. The purpose of us watching it together was that we were going to be able to experience Lucas at his prime. Yes,
it's about the art, not the community, Chris. You can watch it on your own time.
No, you can't. I need a minute to go think by a window. Just...
Fine. I'm doing what I want to do.
No, you don't.
Give me the chair.
No, you... Take the chair. I don't even care anymore. You betrayed me. If you had paid attention in geometry, maybe we wouldn't be here right now.
You want to bring up geometry again? Disappointed but not surprised.
Wow. This is going to cause some issues, isn't it? What do you... Put that down.
Go away, Chris.
I'm gonna go do some yoga and think by who is that? Who are you calling?
Hey, Mom. How's it going?
Are you talking to your mom on the phone?
What? Sorry, what'd you say, Mom? I'm doing something right now.
This is typical. This is typical of him.
Oh yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, I was calling yesterday just to say hi.
Wow. I never thought I would get to this point. Your mom does love you. Yeah, it doesn't matter what she said at her birthday party. That was because her friends were around. It's gonna be alright. You just have to go in it and act confident, even if you don't feel like it.
Am I really that addicted to TurboTax? Gosh, it's really becoming, it's getting between me and Chris. I want to work at H&R Block so bad. What if I actually buy TurboTax one of these days? That'd be kind of cool. Why am I so empty? Just empty all the time. That's nothing a little TurboTax won't fix, I guess.
$1,000, a boon to homeowners facing mortgage payments for the first time. Sign a binding contract to buy a principal residence on...
I didn't even have to sit outside to know what you were watching. Adam, I trusted you.
Do you maybe want to watch with me?
That's all I've ever wanted.
You can claim the credit on your 2009 or your 2010 tax return. Now, besides extending the deadline, the IRS has lifted income ceilings. Married couples making up to $225,000 combined and individuals making up to $125,000 are now eligible.